Giovanni here with Hardscape.com. We are at a project in Boca Raton, Florida, where it's going to be a very interesting design on this driveway. We're going to be bringing in pictures and videos. The contractor is using our Pietra Divals 3cm 24 by 24, and he's doing some designs with actually concrete pavers, with some plank pavers, which should look really nice. Everything on a dry lay install. Here's Fabio with F4 Pavers. Fabio, tell us, can you show us what you're going to be doing here?
Yeah, so basically we're going to be using the 24 by 24 3cm porcelain, and we're going to be starting here at the entrance of the house, and we're going to do some inserts about 24 inches wide with some plank pavers with a charcoal color and a natural gray color. And we're going to stagger the porcelain, but we're also going to stagger the inserts like this, and we're going to have 6 of them throughout the driveway. So it's going to be a very neat look, interesting look, new, and can't wait to see the results as we move along. We'll do videos and pictures, and we'll post it on our Facebook page.
Why did the homeowner choose the porcelain pavers and not do something with the concrete pavers and do the same design?
Well, the porcelain, believe it or not, is it's 3cm, which is 1 inch and 1/8 thick, and the brick is 2 3/8, and those bricks will crack quicker than a porcelain. A porcelain actually won't break at all.
24 by 24, right?
It will not break. And it's just a cleaner look. You don't need to seal the porcelain. It's maintenance free, meaning you don't have to seal it. But just like any other product, you have to pressure wash your driveway, your pool deck once in a while.
So just basically clean and maintain it, but yeah, not the high maintenance.
No maintenance at all needed on.
That was the biggest issue for the homeowner.
For the homeowner, yes.
All right, guys. This is Fabio, F4 Pavers. He's going to be sending pictures. Fabio, if they want to contact you,
make sure you follow us on Facebook, F4 Pavers in Stone, and you can see all of our before and after videos and pictures on there.
And your phone number?
954-868-3129.
All right, guys. Fabio's been doing Fabio and F4 Pavers in Stone has been doing a lot of projects with our porcelain pavers in the Boca Raton area. Can't wait to see how this is going to look. Going to be a beautiful job. It's good to think outside the box and do things like this, because there's no reason why we cannot mix other products, hardscape products, together. There has been other projects with porcelain pavers and concrete pavers done, mostly in the Northeast, and I'm excited to see that now we're starting to get the same trend here, and we'll be bringing this to you guys once it's all completed. Again, Giovanni with Hardscape.com.